Hello, this is Dr. Shreyas Vyas. I'm the Program Director for Summer School program which is organized by NISM. We welcome you to learn from this program. I hope in this program you all will be learning with regard to how the securities market run. It will help you to learn from the experts of securities market. It will also help you in understand in how you need to invest for your futures. I know all of you Gen Zs will be eager to enter into the markets, and in the next few years you all wanted to learn from and we were learn from it. So we'll give you an opportunity to invest your time and learn from. In this summer school program organized by NISM, we'll be letting you learn as to what these technical lines are saying to you. In this 4 weeks program, you will be learning as to how these lines are saying to you. We will be letting you learn in this entire rigorous phase as to what these technical aspects are telling you. They will let you learn what are the nitty-gritties you need to learn, so that after when you start working, you can earn something from it. So I welcome you all to this NISM Summer School Program 2025.